Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce language learning errors with Fluent in 3 months, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding that making mistakes is a natural part of language learning. Recognize that errors can be valuable learning opportunities. Start with a clear goal for your language learning journey. Choose a specific area of focus, such as speaking, writing, or listening. Immerse yourself in the target language daily. Incorporate language learning into your routine through activities you enjoy. Use language exchange apps to practice with native speakers. Engage with authentic materials, like songs, podcasts, or articles, to improve comprehension. When you encounter new vocabulary, use it in sentences to reinforce your memory. Don't shy away from speaking, even if you're afraid of making mistakes. Practice speaking out loud regularly to build confidence. Record yourself speaking to identify areas for improvement. Seek constructive feedback from language partners or tutors. Embrace the concept of failing forward, view mistakes as steps toward mastery. Study common language errors related to your target language's structure. Utilize language learning platforms offering personalized feedback and correction. Create a vocabulary journal to track new words and common mistakes. Regularly review the errors you've made to identify patterns. Practice shadowing, which involves mimicking native speakers. This technique helps in adjusting pronunciation and rhythm. Engage with language learning communities for support and encouragement. Use visual aids like flashcards to reinforce vocabulary retention. Practice grammar exercises focusing on your frequent mistakes. Incorporate speaking and writing prompts to challenge yourself. Establish a routine that allows for consistent practice throughout the week. Be patient with yourself. Language learning is a gradual process. Celebrate small victories to keep your motivation high. Continuously adapt your learning strategies based on what works best for you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.